Hey guys, welcome to your channel. So today we are going to talk about if we can convert Spaylater to Shopeepay. So here's the reality. Shopeepay has already blocked the direct cash in Shopeepay using Spaylater option since late 2023 to stop people from using Spaylater as instant cash. But don't worry because we are going to try this alternative. Okay, so here on your Shopee application, just have to buy Shopee Payload, top up from sellers. So use the search bar at the top. That's right. And then you have to search for Shopee Pay top up. So here you just have to choose a seller with high ratings and good feedback, and then you have to select the amount you want. So I'm just going to use this product as an example. Okay, but when you see the result, you just have to click on it, and then at checkout, you have to choose Spaylater as your payment method. Then after the payment, you just have to wait for the seller to send the balance to your Shopee Pay wallet. Okay, so for example, this one, just clicked on buy now after that, and then you just have to choose Spaylater as your payment method. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.